Somewhere in the cold December sky, a little bird is flying, and she's got nowhere to go on Christmas Eve. Little bird, if only I had known that you'd be left without a home when I cut down my Christmas tree. I never would have cut that pine tree down, but as I strung the lights around the highest boughs, what did I see? Little branches intertwined, a little nest so perfectly designed that there's no place you'd rather be if you're a bird on Christmas Eve. So I'll keep my windows open wide in the hopes that you might find your way back home this Christmas Eve. I'll keep the nest you made all warm and clean. Up in my Christmas tree, little bird, come fly to me. Please find your way back home, little birdie, this Christmas Eve. By the light of the moon, when it's cold outside and Christmas Day is coming soon. Somewhere in the cold December sky, a little bird is flying, and I hope she finds her Christmas tree. The windows to my living room are open wide. Little bird, come fly your way right to my side. I'll keep the nest you made all warm and clean. Up in your Christmas tree, little bird, come fly to me. Please find your way back home, little birdie, it's Christmas Eve. By the light of the moon, well, it's cold outside and Christmas Day is coming soon. Little bird, if only I had known, I would have left your tree alone, so you'd be home on Christmas Eve.